Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. Let's do something perfect for wedding. The garden style arrangement is extremely popular these few years. Let me show you step by step how to do this style, not only just for wedding, you can use it for any occasion in your shop, because this style is pretty. Here I am using Smithers Oasis Eco-Central Designer planters with midnight foam. I love using midnight foam for wedding works. It can use up to 25% less material compared to the green floral foam. You can save a lot of money and time. At first, we will use some greenery to create the shape of this arrangement. The style is almost like a crescent, but it's wild and free. In here we had some dry foliage, camellia green, silver dollar eucalyptus to start the shape. After that, we will put some apple from my garden to the bottom of the arrangement. This is just fresh off from the tree. And then we will put some roses to make the shape even stronger. This roses is fantastic. After the roses, we will put some scabiosa to make it nice and relaxed. I don't know why my face look like I'm mad at someone. I guess this is my concentrated look. Legs. We will put some carnations to cover the bottom part of the arrangement. We don't want anybody seeing any floral mechanic. Here we have some beautiful spray roses. The blooms and the color are just gorgeous. After that, we got some shocking color dahlias in here. Absolutely love this color. It creates a lot of contrast for this arrangement. After a few more flowers, it looks fantastic. This will look fabulous on the wedding table. I hope that you guys found value in these videos. If you did, please be sure you give it a like. If you want to check out other part of the wedding videos, I will be sure to put a link on the description or have a card pop up here. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below. I love to share all the information and knowledge I have to help you to make a better wedding design. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.